Grandma is sipping tea on her char pie. Suddenly, the naughty hen dips her beak into the teacup and runs away.
Morning trouble. Oh, dear. Even my tea isn't safe anymore. You naughty chicken, come back with my teacup.
Grandma plants vegetables, but the hen eats all the cabbage and chilies. Ha ha ha!
Garden disaster. My lovely cabbages. Gone. Stop munching, you feathered thief.
Grandma hangs close to dry. The hen hides under her dupatta and pretends to be a ghost.
Laundry ghost? Good heavens, a ghost? Oh, wait. It's you again, naughty hen.
Ha 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 ha! Grandma makes roti. The hen grabs one and runs. Ha 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 ha!
Hey, that roti was for dinner, not for you. Now my bread, what's next?
Grandma sets a trap to catch the hen, but the hen tricks her and Grandma falls inside instead. Ha ha ha!
Grandma's trap. Aha! Today I'll finally catch you. Falls in trap. Oh no, not me, silly trap. What? She stole your rice too?
And food. Grandma gets angry. Ha ha ha! Grandma chases the hen with a stick. The whole village watches and laughs. Ha ha ha! Finally, Grandma catches the hen and prepares to cook her. The hen begs with a silly request. Ha ha ha!
Ooh, that's it. Today is the day I catch her for sure. Stop right there, you troublemaker. I'm too old for this running, but I won't give up. Finally, caught at last. What? A selfie? Fine. But after that, it's soup time. Hee hee hee. You may be naughty, but I'm still the boss here.